Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Xiaomi's T-series smartphones have traditionally been aimed at international markets, but this year, things are a little different. The new Xiaomi 17T series is not only making its way into the domestic market, it also marks the first time a Xiaomi 17 series device is powered by a flagship Dimensity processor. So, in today's video, we're going to explore what makes the Xiaomi 17T Pro stand out from the crowd.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Starting with the design, the Xiaomi 17T Pro takes a completely different direction. It doesn't follow the all-black camera module style seen on the 17 Max, and nor is it simply an enlarged version of the standard Xiaomi 17. Instead, Xiaomi has introduced a fresh design language of its own. The flash sits independently beside the camera module, while the Leica branding near the cameras and Xiaomi logo on the lower part of the back are aligned horizontally. This layout gives the phone a look that resembles a compact Leica camera, especially when held in landscape orientation. Looking at the overall hardware package, the Xiaomi 17T Pro is a well-balanced large-screen flagship. We'll dive deeper into its complete experience later, but one of its biggest highlights is the Leica-powered 5x optical telephoto lens, a feature that's rarely found in this price segment. With that in mind, let's jump straight into the camera performance and see what this Leica telephoto system can really do. While many competitors in the same price range are still offering 3x telephoto cameras, the Xiaomi 17T Pro comes equipped with a 50-megapixel Periscope telephoto lens featuring an f3.0 aperture, OIS optical image stabilization, and a 115mm equivalent focal length, delivering stronger zoom performance while also enhancing subject compression, creating images with a more cinematic and professional feel. To put the camera to the test, we took the Xiaomi 17T Pro to the zoo and captured plenty of memorable moments of various animals using its 5x telephoto lens. Even when zooming further, from 20x all the way up to 120x, users can activate the AI Super Zoom feature. Thanks to advanced large model AI algorithms, the system intelligently reconstructs textures and details that optical hardware cannot capture. The telephoto camera isn't just useful for distant subjects, its close-up capabilities are equally impressive. The Xiaomi 17T Pro supports Telephoto Macro photography with a minimum focusing distance of just 30 centimeters. Whether you're photographing food, flowers, or animals, the Telephoto Macro mode can reveal intricate details that are often difficult to notice with the naked eye, while also producing a naturally blurred background. And when it comes to background blur, portrait photography naturally becomes an important topic. The Xiaomi 17T Pro features the same master portrait and Leica portrait algorithms found on Xiaomi's flagship devices, combined with the natural compression effect of the 115mm equivalent telephoto lens. Portrait shots gain a stunning sense of depth and beautifully rendered bokeh. What's especially interesting is that the portrait mode also supports live mode. This allows users to capture a cover image with a large aperture bokeh effect while simultaneously recording live video frames during the shooting process. This brand new feature is called Leica Live Moment, and it makes its debut on the Xiaomi 17T Pro.
We can also customize our shots afterward by editing them in the gallery and applying the brand new Leica Live watermark. On top of that, the Gallery app allows multiple live photos to be combined into a single sequence, making it easier to create content with a stronger narrative and more engaging visual storytelling. Now, let's shift our attention back to the Xiaomi 17T Pro's primary camera. It features a large f1.67 aperture paired with a 50-megapixel View Hunter 950 sensor and a 23mm equivalent focal length. Beyond everyday photography, this camera is also capable of recording videos at up to 8K at 30 frames per second, as well as 4K at 120 frames per second, giving creators plenty of flexibility for high-quality video production. For users who want more professional level control, both the 1x main camera and the 5x telephoto lens support 4K 60 FPS log recording. During shooting, users can also preview the live effect in real time, making it easier to visualize and fine-tune the final look of their footage before editing. With the camera experience covered, let's move on to performance and battery life. The Xiaomi 17T Pro is powered by the Dimensity 9500 chipset, built using an advanced 3-nanometer manufacturing process. To test its gaming capabilities, we ran Genshin Impact in the virtual city area at maximum graphics settings, with the dual peak resonance feature enabled. The test was conducted in a room with an ambient temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and the screen brightness fixed at 200 nits. After 30 minutes of gameplay, the Xiaomi 17T Pro maintained an impressive average frame rate of 59.9 FPS while drawing an average power consumption of just 4.13 watts. During the entire session, battery usage was only 7%. At the end of the test, the rear surface of the phone reached 48.8 degrees Celsius, while the front measured 47.1 degrees Celsius. These results demonstrate that Xiaomi has done an excellent job optimizing power efficiency and performance management for the Dimensity 9500 platform. Next, let's talk about endurance. The Xiaomi 17T Pro is equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh Xiaomi Golden Sand battery. During our 4-hour battery life test, which included 3 hours of everyday use and 1 hour of gaming, the device consumed only 33% of its battery capacity. Based on these results, achieving around 12 hours of usage on a single charge appears entirely realistic, making the battery performance one of the phone's strongest highlights. To wrap things up, the Xiaomi 17T Pro is clearly designed with practicality in mind. It combines a large 6.83-inch display with a relatively slim 8.25mm profile and a weight of 219 grams. Together with the huge 7,000 mAh Xiaomi Golden Sand battery, it delivers a balance between comfortable daily handling and the long-lasting endurance users expect from a multimedia-focused flagship. Its Leica-powered 5x optical zoom lens, equivalent to 115 mm, is the result of several generations of Xiaomi's imaging development and delivers flagship-level photography performance and image quality. Meanwhile, the Dimensity 9500 processor provides more than enough power for both demanding photographic tasks and intensive gaming sessions. So, what do you think? Would you consider buying this thoughtfully designed and well-balanced large-screen flagship? That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!